Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a crab cake with a steamed asparagus with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So the first thing we need to do is mix up our crab. So we have our crab meat, and in this bowl we have our mayonnaise, we have a little bit of panko breadcrumbs already inside of this mixture, some egg whites, some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And of course, again, like I said, we season this with salt and pepper. We have a little bit of extra panko here. This in the shallow dish is to kind of top our cakes off once we get them mixed. So we're going to mix the crab meat in. You just kind of want to lightly fold this mixture together. I'm going to keep the integrity of the crab meat. It's my biggest complaint when you go to a restaurant and you get crab cakes. You always, if you can't tell that there's pieces of crab meat in it, you're not eating at the right place. You actually want to see the pieces of meat. Otherwise, you could be having nothing but filler. Or don't tell any other restaurants that I told you this, but sometimes they even use chicken. I'm going to add some more breadcrumbs in to bind. Patty these out. This is the messy part, but it's fun. Might need some more breadcrumb to bind them together. Squeeze them up gently into rounds. We're ready to hit these into the pan. Now this is something you could mix these up and let them set in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes and they'll hold together just a little bit better. Do that, and then we're going to hit these with just a splash of olive oil over the top. Help it brown up just a little bit. Let these cook until nice and golden brown. Crabs go just for a couple more minutes. They're almost done. It's best to do these in small batches, so if you're making for more, just do a few at a time, not to overcrowd the pan. Alright. So we will plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.